Morning, guys. But no one used to seeing me in the kitchen, but guess I would have chef this morning. That chef I eat while she cook though. That's that. So chef, so today I try to do some what you do, Bills? Hold on, let me see what I got. Today I try to do some banana fritters. But I know I see a fry around 12 already. I just 3 over there so.
Can you eat and me eat? Come again, say something now.
Like shut up. Babes, you need to stop eat off the thing when you cook here. When I do something.
You have to taste it like you said that do properly.
Oh my gosh. And over right here, so guys, we have one pot I boil with some water. I'm gonna go match up some caramel porridge. If you wonder over there, so yeah guys. That's a going pan. What I going this morning, guys. Yeah. Vlogmas Day number 19. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video.
I'm probably going to eat guys. So I don't know for you.
What's that?
We're gonna eat guys soon finish.
Well, I have some food left back from over. Well, last time I'm this sure when we can add up and eat still.
So we can deal with this by myself.
No more some of that too, man. You understand, guys? Yeah, thank you guys so much for coming back to Vlogmas Day number 19. 6 more days to go in the Vlogmas series. Big up on yourself. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. Big up the UK viewers, them. Big up on yourself when you know on yourself. Big up, no matter big up everybody.
And you start it. Yeah, let's say one big up and toes and stretch.
Big up everybody. Big up everybody who's been supporting the Andersons. I don't know anything, the link is real and the 6 alone real. And so the thing said, Sunday morning guys, so just there I look for some food.
Banana fritters.
I look for some food.
It tastes good.
Yes, it tastes good?
Yeah, don't worry about the looks. Banana, turn up in it.
2 banana for around 2 dozen fritters. That's a stretch of banana, guys.
Aye.
Yeah, but anyways, guys, we're just here today. You know, Sunday is all about family day, so we're just there home. Well, every day is family day still. But we're just here, guys, in the kitchen looking about some breakfast, rolling our vibes. And thing. You don't know what thing says. Smash a like on the video, subscribe if you're new, and big up all the returning subscribers. Alright guys? Big up. Now I want to know, what is better than having some banana fritters? Caramel porridge, wife in our kitchen, overlooking the white atmospheric view.
Don't do that. People want to see it, but
The white atmospheric view from through the kitchen window. Through the kitchen window. You have to use the best Canadian accent, babes. I don't know
I don't have the best one yet, so I'm just working on it.
Yeah, guys, so that's a going. From what I going.
These men say a porridge.
You understand? The neighbor them over there, so I always try fast. But why always I try fast too? So I guess it's good out. We don't know nobody over there side.
Over the side.
We meet the people them right there, so drive that truck there. I meet the people them over the other yard over there. So yeah, that's a going point. We still try to familiarize yourself with the area and stuff. Outside is cold as usual. You know the house is even cold today as well. I'm not gonna be eating no further.
You're gassy. You're gassy.
I should not talk. Yeah, guys. So of course we're just here chilling, all in our vibes. Malika run out the room with our tablet, so we're gonna take it from her and fresh her up for the day. Well up on the road, bitch.
Not sure. Well, it depends on how I feel.
So Nats took the vaccine yesterday, as you guys would have seen in yesterday's vlog. I know she's getting some side effect.
No, why you laughing? No, I'm not feel good, man. I'm feeling just want to sleep.
Like I just go sleep? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So she take 2 tablets this morning and thing, so hopefully she feel better soon. Which means them is on cooking duty.
Again?
Them is on cooking duty. Kitchen cleanup duty. Parent duty.
Okay, mommy. You what? You don't want no parent duty while you're staying with mommy?
Yeah, you want to supervise yourself. You want to supervise yourself? Yeah? She don't want now. Everything good. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, by the way, guys. It's a bum day. Today is just a bum day. That's it. That's the laundry for yesterday.
Still doing laundry.
Still doing laundry.
That's not hungry, you know.
What should I say?
That's not hungry.
Yeah, guys. So I just wanted to take a few minutes here to just talk to you guys a little bit about our channel, The Andersons. Now, you guys have been supporting us now for the better part of a year, so you guys would have like a full understanding of what kind of content we do on our channel. So our channel is primarily based on our Canadian experience, right? We came to Canada as international student, spouse of an international student, as many of you guys already know. And our channel is based primarily on, you know, our whole vibe experience here living in Grand Prairie, Alberta as Jamaican immigrants. So that is the focus of our channel, right? Now, our channel has been growing steadily over 2021, and that's something that we are immensely grateful for. I would just want to say thank you to all the persons who have been supporting us thus far on this journey. There are many persons who have reached out to us and say that they have gotten so much inspiration and motivation and just all sorts of different I'd say strength from our content, and that just kind of motivated us to just continue. And we just want to say much big up with you guys. All right, now we're moving into 2022, guys. Before I even say what is our intention for our channel and all of that, I just want to wish every single one of our subscribers and viewers all the best for 2022. We know that the world has been going through, you know, just a different stage, it feels like we're living in a twilight zone kind of a thing. Since 2020, 2021, with the whole COVID situation and, you know, curfews, lockdown, loss of income, all sort of thing, and many persons has been affected. But it is my wish for everybody that, listen, 2022 will be a better year. 2022 will be a year of success, a year of health, and definitely a year where whatever dreams that you guys are working on, goals that you guys are working on will become a reality. All right, guys, so that is definitely our wish for you guys. As it relates to our channel, guys, it is our intention to continue doing content that you guys can find not only informative but also educational, hopefully, and also entertaining and engaging, right? We never try to change who we are under no circumstances. We have never tried to pretend to be anyone else other than ourselves, and we just want to continue doing that. Definitely we are definitely en route to 3,000 subscribers, as we're telling you guys. We encourage you guys, if you have not already subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Like our videos, drop a comment. It really gives us a strength, and we really appreciate it all. So it is our intention to continue doing this content that you guys find so interesting, right? Also, guys, we are encouraging you guys to also check out our channel membership. We have, I think, 4 different stages ranging from $1.99 to the maximum one being of $10.99. All of our channel membership come with different features and different aspect to it, right? So you can definitely go and check that out, and you can definitely show your support to our channel by becoming a member of our community. That is something that is possible in whatever country you are in. However, if you're in a country like Jamaica or some other Caribbean country, you might have to download a VPN, which allows you to kind of change your location, and then you can support our channel by that way, which would be greatly appreciated. I can't even overemphasize how much that will help us out. In addition to that, guys, check out our links in our video description. We pretty much put the same links in all of our description, which is our Instagram channel. Go and go follow me, by the way, and plus it's the quickest way to get in touch with us. You can shoot us a message on Instagram, and we try our best to respond to all messages as best as possible. Of course, you know, sometimes life gets in the way. Of course, we are not full-time vloggers as yet. If it is that we were full-time vloggers, then we would have all the time in the world to respond to all those lovely comments, all those lovely messages and stuff. As it is right now, I'm fully employed. We're working full-time. So that is not necessarily the easiest thing to do sometimes, right? Nonetheless, check out our Instagram, follow us. It's the quickest way to get in touch with us. Go and go check out our Facebook page as well, The Andersons Original on Instagram. We have a GoFundMe, guys, has been going on for a little while. Some of you guys might have known about it already. Some of you guys might not have known about it as yet. The intention of that GoFundMe, guys, is to support my dream of becoming a registered immigration consultant. It was my intention to enroll in January of this year. However, I was not successful in raising the money that was needed. So, of course, that is pushed back to God, you knows how long. But if it is that you want to support me, support this channel, and also support our goal of helping more persons, you can definitely go and support that GoFundMe. Of course, there's no obligation. We are not registered immigration consultant at the moment. We do not charge for any form of services because whatever information you get here is strictly based on our own personal experiences and experiences of friends and family and research and stuff like that, which we happily share, by the way. If it is that you're thinking of coming to Canada as an international student, this is a channel for you because that is what our content is primarily based on, as it is that we have no other experience in any form of Canadian migration route stream or whatever you want to call it. So we can't speak based on experience, right? So we can only share our opinions and also opinions of others and also based on research that we have done as well. Don't forget, guys, share our channel so that other persons can get access to this information, right? Information gained, if not shared, is pointless. So if it is that you guys find value from our channel and you guys find substance in whatever information that we give you and you have been successful in your pursuit of the Canadian dream, definitely share the channel so that other persons can get the same benefits, other persons can get the same information and all of that, right? The more you share the channel, the more our channel will grow, and also that is a way that you can support us. So supporting us is not necessarily in the form of becoming a member, neither it is in the form of supporting our GoFundMe, but supporting us is even just sharing our content and encouraging persons to subscribe to our channel so that our community can get a little bit bigger and a little bit wider so we can reach more and more persons, which inadvertently will allow us now to become full-time vloggers, which is something that I would really love to become a full-time YouTuber, because no one likes to work. I hope nobody from work is watching this video right now, but yeah, nobody don't like work. And I really like communicating with you guys. I really like sharing content with you guys, and I really, most importantly, I really love helping and sharing information with you guys. As you guys know, that is the primarily intention of our channel. Our channel was started just on the sole basis of providing information from a layman's point of view, from a down-to-earth point of view, and that is why we are doing what we are doing, why we started doing it, and why we are continuing doing it. Every Sunday we go live, guys. We go live. We try to get persons who are knowledgeable in different fields to come onto our live platform and just have a chat, have a live Q&A that persons can benefit from information that they will not necessarily get for free. So we try to create a platform that persons can come and get all that information without even paying a single dollar. So today, this is Vlogmas Day number 19. As you know, today is a Sunday and we go live every Sunday. In today's live, guys, we'll be having a very influential person. His name is Mr. George Coleman. You might have seen the thumbnail going around. He is a recruiter for 3 colleges, Robotham College, Red River College, and also Algonquin College in Ottawa. He has over decades of experience, guys. He has been from managing director to Artrus NTA in Jamaica to becoming an instructor at the Red River College. Now he's like a direct recruiter, and he focuses mostly on Caribbean students. All right, guys, you do not want to miss that. We are always anticipating a lot of questions on our live Q&As, guys, so we might not be able to get to all the questions. However, priority will be given to persons who are always supporting us, we know the names, and also to persons who are members of our channel. So if it is that the questions get so much and we miss a question or two, we ask that you understand that it is not always possible to answer all the questions. However, there's definitely a shot that you guys can come in. Mr. Coleman is not only a recruiter, by the way. He has a wealth of network of immigration consultants who specializes in mature students coming to Canada with their family as well. So that is something that is very, very interesting to me. As you know, although I look young, I'm pretty much was a mature student, and definitely my family was here. So this is something that I am very interested in, and you guys will stand to benefit so much from this information. In addition to that, he also operates a settlement services business where he assists with living arrangement and also employment. If it is that you're thinking of going to anywhere in Winnipeg or Manitoba as a wider province, is somebody who is very knowledgeable, and I can't emphasize that enough. So yeah, just stay tuned. We go live 6 o'clock time, Jamaican time, every Sunday, by the way. So you want to make sure that you are subscribed to our channel, you want to make sure that you are a member of our channel, and you want to definitely make sure that you are sharing our content, guys, so that other persons can get information just like you are getting this awesome information right now. Of course, my name is Demar De Anderson, aka. So of course my wife's name is Natasha, aka Nats, and our daughter's name is Malia and Malika. That's our little family, guys. People are pressure figure for your son Malik. I don't know. I don't know. That's where the future was, though, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way to the end. Don't forget to smash that like button. Leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think about our channel, and just definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed already. All right. All the best for 2022, guys. I start saying it from now. I'm not gonna hear it every single day, because you're going positive thoughts become positive reality. You understand what I said? The law of attraction is real. And I know the rest though. Take care of mental health. It is just as important as a physical health. Thank you guys so much for watching. Smash that like button, smash that comments thing right down there, so, and leave a comment. Alright, guys. See you guys in vlogmas. No, sorry. See you guys later on in the life. Dems out.